We all love our pets. They're our companions, stress relievers, and family. But even healthy pets can carry hidden infections that affect you. What are zoonotic diseases? Zoonotic diseases are infections transmitted from animals to humans. Your dog's drool, cat's claws, or pet bird's feathers could carry harmful germs. The surprising culprits, common zoonotic diseases. It's just a scratch isn't always safe. Small scratches and licks on cuts may seem harmless but can be dangerous to vulnerable people. Wash hands after pet contact. Avoid pet licking wounds or face. Keep up with vet visits. Teach kids safe pet handling. Consult doctor if immunocompromised. Why this matters? Pets bring joy and comfort. By recognizing risks and following precautions, we safeguard our health and theirs. Stay informed and stay safe. Like, share, and subscribe for more pet health tips.